Hello and welcome to the channel if this is your first time. If it's not your first time, then welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. For this project, I'm using a 1x12, which is actually 11¼ inches wide, and so that will be the width of the serving tray. For the purpose of this video, I went with 12 inches long serving area, but you can make it as long as you would like, 16 inches, 18 inches, or even 24 inches. I don't think you would go wrong with that. I'm using a 1/8 setup bar to set the height of the table saw blade so that I can make the grooves on one side of the board. Once I have the height set, I started making the groove, and I flip it over and do the other side. To make the additional grooves, I'm using the handle rests as a spacer to leave 2 inches between each of the groove, as you will see in just a moment here. So I have my spacer board buttoned up against the blade, and it's lined up with the last groove that I made, and then that is how I get the distance of 2 inches between the grooves. The screws that I'm using for the handles are a little bit longer, and they stick out of the 3/4 inch board there, so I used the screws to make a mark on the board, and then I just did a recess there using a countersink bit. Doing that makes sure the handle rests are sitting flush on the board. The rest of the process is pretty easy to follow through. I want to take this special moment to thank all of my subscribers who watch my videos and support my channel. If you're part of the 74% of people who watch my videos but haven't subscribed, please consider doing so and support my channel. Thank you. I appreciate you. If you've watched the video this far, thank you so much for doing that, and feel free to share it with somebody else who might be interested, and check out one of these other videos that you might like. As always, I hope you will have a tangible experience of God's love today.